All right, so guys, this is a question out of 4.1. And so it says use f of x to complete a table for f inverse of x. Okay, so we have that f of x is equal to x plus 6, and we're looking for f inverse of -1. So I want to explain something real briefly over here on the side, y'all, just to kind of show you what I'm talking about. If I had a table, and I'm just going to make this up, just a random function, f of x, okay, not necessarily related to the one we had before. And I'm going to say that my x values are 1, 3, 5, and 7, and I'm going to say my f of x values are 2, 4, 6, and 8, okay? Now, if I were to make a new table that's going to have values for f and for x and f inverse. So if I wanted to find the inverse of this function, the way this would look like is my x values would actually be 2, 4, 6, and 8, and my f inverse values would be the numbers 1, 3, 5, and 7. So I want y'all to notice something here. My x values here became the y values in my inverse, and my y values in my original function became the x values in my inverse, okay? So what does that mean? Here we have a table for the inverse, okay? And we don't have the inverse function, we actually have the function itself. So remember, these numbers here would be the y values for this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set x plus 6 equal to -1. I'm going to set x plus 6 equal to 2. I'm going to set x plus 6 equal to 5. And I'm going to set x plus 6 equal to 8. And in each one of these cases, y'all, I'm going to go -6, -6. I'm going to end up with x is equal to -7. I'm going to go -6 and -6. I'm going to get x equals -4. I'm going to get -6 and -6. I'm going to get x equals -1. And I go -6 and -6, and I'm going to get x is equal to 2. Okay? So look. This was -7. I'm sorry. Okay, so f inverse of -1, right here I'm going to put -7. And I'm going to show you how this is going to work. I'm going to come back over here. Here it is. And I'm going to put a -7. I'm going to check it, and we got it, okay? Look for at 2. So let me come back and answer. When we did it at 2, we came up with a -4. So right here, y'all, I'm going to type in -4. Check it. Very good. Okay, now at 5, what do we get at 5? We got a -1. So I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to put a -1. Okay, excellent. And then at 8, let me see what we got. 8, we came up with a 2. So right here, y'all, I'm going to put in the 2. I'm going to check it. And we got the problem right. And so we're good to go, okay? If y'all got any questions, please let